Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Amazon Seller App review to see it worth using. The Amazon Seller App is a powerful tool designed for sellers who want to manage their Amazon stores on the go. It lets you track sales, respond to customer segment messages, adjust pricing, fill inventories, and check account health directly from your mobile phone. The app is especially helpful for small and medium sellers who need a convenient way to stay up to the top of their business without always setting a computer. Whether you are a private label selling, a reselling, or a dropshipping, having all these keys metric in your pocket makes the day-to-day operation much more effective. The main appealings of the Amazon Seller app lies in its ease of use and real-time control over your store. However, it's not without a drawback. Some sellers find the app a bit limited in functionalities. For more complex tasks, you need to revert back to the desktop seller central, which is furthermore the app sometimes lag or fails to sync in real time, causing a confusion about price or stock levels. So while it's a convenient tool for staying connected with making a quick decision on the fly, so it's not a complete replacement for a full seller central platform when you need more depth or controls. Nevertheless, the app sellers want a flexibility and a visibility over the store, so it worth its addition for their toolkit, and that's it.